Hi everyone. I hope you're doing great. In this video, I want to show you the step-by-step process to add contacts to your smartwatch using the HryFine app on an iPhone. To start, it's essential that your watch is linked to your phone. If you're having trouble connecting, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. One piece of advice: if you've tried connecting your smartwatch before, go to your iPhone's Bluetooth settings, find the device in the list, and select Forget this device. This is important because, in many cases, the app won't find the watch if it's already saved as a Bluetooth device in the iPhone system. Removing it first ensures a clean connection. Now, let's open the app. If it's your first time using it, a few permission requests will pop up. Make sure to accept them, along with the terms and conditions. Go to the Smartwatch tab and select to bind device. After connecting your watch, you'll see two prompts regarding Bluetooth pairing and notification access. You must accept both. Next, in the configuration menu, choose a device settings, then select the contacts option. Tap the icon in the top right corner. You can add contacts in two ways. The first is manual typing the name and number, and the second is importing them directly from your phone's contact list. Once you're done, select the sync option, the icon with two circular arrows. If you ever want to remove a contact, just tap the jet icon again and select this deletes option. And that's it. If this video was helpful to you, I'd be very grateful if you subscribe and leave a comment. Greetings to everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.